To get started with QuickBooks Intuit, first create an account and set up your company file by providing basic business information such as company name, address, and industry type. This initial setup is crucial as it will help QuickBooks tailor its features to your specific business needs. Next, navigate to the dashboard where you can access various tools and features such as invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your business performance, allowing you to make informed decisions. To manage your finances effectively, set up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all your business accounts such as assets, liabilities, and equity. This will enable you to track your financial transactions and generate accurate financial statements. Invoicing is another key feature in QuickBooks, allowing you to create and send professional-looking invoices to your customers. You can customize invoice templates to fit your brand and set up recurring invoices for regular customers. To track expenses, link your bank account to QuickBooks, which will automatically import your transactions. You can then categorize and reconcile these transactions to ensure accuracy and compliance with accounting standards. Regularly review your financial reports such as the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement to gain insights into your business performance. These reports will help you identify areas for improvement and make strategic decisions. Finally, take advantage of QuickBooks automation features such as automatic backups and reminders to streamline your accounting process. By following these steps and leveraging the features of QuickBooks Intuit, you can efficiently manage your business finances and drive growth.